Mekhi's first flight.
Yeah.
How you feel?
Good.
Good? What are you looking forward to?
Well, wait, what do you mean?
Like, what are you looking forward to? Like, what are your questions?
Oh, is it stairs when you get on?
Okay. Are you going off movies?
Yes.
Yes.
Um,
it's gonna be a fun. It's gonna be a nice ride. It's gonna be like a bus with wings that we have to stay on for hours.
It takes forever to get start. It takes forever to tip. Wait, actually, is that my third time? It's my sixth time.
Because, back and forth?
Yeah.
Is it shaky?
Well, I guess we're gonna find out, huh? Sometimes it shakes a little bit. That's why we're gonna put some prayer to God, right? So
I remember
us.
last year when we took off those turbulence.
When you use the bathroom, where does
In the back of the plane.
Jerry will take you.
and do they spill it out after?
Yeah. So sometimes you'll be using the bathroom, and the plane shakes and the pee shoots back up.
That happened to me.
I'm just playing.
No, the poop
I knew
gets
I knew Jerry was gonna say that. Oh, that actually happened to me.
No.
Actually, I flew off the airplane and came back in. I have wings. It happened to me too.
No, Dad, I was saying.
Hold on. Let me do the shake of my head face.
Dad.
All right, we'll get back to y'all when we get back in line while we're waiting in the security check-in. What you say?
How many seats is on a plane?
There's like,
Let's count it when we get on.
really count
We're
it?
gonna count the
We're gonna
rows.
be there like first, so
We're gonna count the rows, and we're gonna count. And we're gonna count the seats in
Just
each
send
row.
it to Jai.
And then we're gonna wait at how much he.
What?
300, huh?
What'd you say?
That didn't get it.
If Michaela is coming, the plane will go down.
Oh my God. Do a series of questions that you have to answer, and those series of questions, I guess, is supposed to figure out whether or not you're trustworthy or not. So that's probably why they don't take stuff. Okay, so we're going to gate. What do you say?
Gate 23.
Gate 23. Are you sure? You positive?
Yeah.
Are you certain?
Yes.
Oh, so the gate 23 is right there.
Now we go get some food.
All right, we can go get food now. See you guys later on Mekhi's first ride.
Last time was gate 6. We had to walk way down.
How do you remember what gate number it was?
Hi, Mom. Love you. And I looked at the planes. It was so cool.
He's reading your text messages as we were videoing.
I saw it at the side in the window. It was cool.
He has a lot of questions.
Yes, I do. Oh, because all the people are sitting. I'm a ding dong now.
Ding dong.
Wait, why are you recording me?
Oh,
You're
sorry.
not supposed to record me. You said I'm a ding dong. I'm not actually a ding dong.
Oh, what
Everybody, I'm not a ding dong. Okay, show Jai this. Look, Dad, can we go to the window? Can I go to the window? Show Jai. Okay, Jai. Okay, Jai. Jai, look at the plane. Look, in my hand. It's nice, right? I hope you like it. Okay, look at that. We're about to leave in like 2 hours.
Wait, let's see.
It's nice.
Gina's about to show you something.
Yeah, this is me. Okay, see? That's our territory. Jai, look at me. Huh? Oh, Jai, look at Jai, look at. Jai, look at the plane move. Give Jai. Say bye, Jai.
Bye, Jai.
Hold on, let's zoom out. Say bye, Jai.
Bye, Jai.
Now turn towards the airplanes. Say bye, Jai. Say bye, Jai.
Bye, Jai.
Okay, now you do it to me. Bye, twin. Cha-cha.
After about an hour and a half, we finally get on Mekhi's first flight. to Dallas, Texas. He's super excited, as you can see on his face. Wait.
I got you.
Look at Mekhi. He's like, what do I do? Just keep walking, Mekhi. Well, hey, watch the gap right there, Mekhi. Just gonna plane in the thing. Look forward where the gap is. You see the plane? Touch the plane. Touch the plane. Touch the plane.
I never touched it. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, you guys, what are you doing today? That's good. You ready to-
First flight.
First flight?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can talk to the pilot.
Thank you.
Okay, right over here. I got it.
Let me make sure.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
it. That's
And
it.
they put it back up though.
We can't put that down until we take off. Whoa.
How you feel?
Good.
Good. You alright? You ready now?
Yes.
You been ready, yeah.
For 4 hours.
It's so cool outside.
It's so
So
close.
cool outside.
Mm-hmm.
I could see the This was a good spot to go.
It is a perfect spot.
This is similar to where we sat last time.
Mm-hmm. Near the wing.
Yeah, because I was sitting out the window. Oh, now I remember how to do the seatbelt.
First night.
And then look at the bathroom is back there. Huh?
Flight attendants, arm and crossing your doors for departure. Outdoors on crossing, wait.
That it should be across too.
Hmm?
Like the seatbelt should be like in a real car, not like this.
Why should it be more than that?
Because you can go like that.
Yeah, that's true.
In a car, you just like go forward a little bit.
Right, I just act like you're playing defense. Straps.
Mekhi did that. He was acting like he was playing defense in basketball today, and he got the flag.
I was like,
Hey, because
It worked, too.
basketball and flag is similar to each other, right? So, just makes sense.
Alright everybody, we need your attention. The safety information car for the 737-700 is located in the seat back pocket nearest you. 2. Fasten your seatbelt. Find the flat ends of the buckle. Pull the loose strap to tight. To release, lift up on the buckle. Please that seatbelt guys tight and lower across hips from where anytime you are seated.
Good. Listen.
There are 6 emergency exits, 2 for the door, 2 window exits.
Remember I told you after they talk what we're going to start doing? Backing up, then we're going to turn.
Turn this way?
I told you you can. They probably can go out both ways. Probably can go out and come in both ways.
I can feel it.
What?
Like it's vibrating.
I wonder what's vibrating. Oh yeah. I love when they turn the lights off. I got y'all tofu on y'all noodles.
Really?
Don't ever breathe out like that. Your breath smell like who did it and what for?
That guy's still walking with us?
saw like during the other day. She's doing shadow puppets. Here we go, Kai. Introduction to the airplane, baby. Hey, you feel that? About to lift up in a minute. Hold your breath. Tells you how fast we go. Lift up in front. And we are off, brother. We are floating.
Why does it feel like that? Everybody. We're going, buddy.
See the water?
We're in the clouds. No, we're not. We are?
Oh, yeah, we got clouds already.
I think we're already in the clouds.
I can't see anything. Whoa, whoa.
I feel weird.
That's turbulence.
Turbulence doesn't feel good at all.
It feels like
It's making my feet.
oh, we're in the clouds.
Over the clouds.
Oh, the first time you saw it, I got the first time you saw this thing.
I've never seen over the clouds.
Really?
Until it's dark
It
and
looks
we
like
went.
snow. It looks like snow on the bottom.
We're even closer to God now.
This is so cool. Now I can see like sun.
Sun?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, yeah. Sunset. Sun's setting.
Can we take a picture and send it to Jai?
She's gonna see a video.
I want to see the clouds. Like, give it to the clouds.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Whoa.
Jai, look it.
Look at it.
I showed you pictures like this that mom took before.
I've never seen it in person though.
I never saw this.
Oh, I showed it to you. The turning. You know what I'm saying? The turning.
Oh, you're right.
Time what where they have to turn.
I can see other airplanes.
Huh?
I can see other airplanes.
Where?
And so many. Right there.
Oh, for real?
See another one right there. By that cloud down there. I think that's like a big old bird. Right there. It's a light.
So they were turning. How you feel, Kaka?
Good. I feel dizzy.
Feel dizzy?
Yeah, me too. This hurts.
Actually, I feel
This
dizzy.
one turbulence.
Okay, I'll turn the light off.
For real, please.
So that's good.
Kaka, it's cool, huh?
Yes.
Dang,
Look at a lot of buttons.
I know.
How do they control this?
That's a lot of buttons. So
You gotta be really, really intelligent.
that's the cockpit.
That's to pull the brake.
Uh-huh.
That's the that's kind of like your car where you start.
You study.
There's so many buttons, but they don't use some of them.
Alright, y'all done?
They have all those buttons and
Cool,
all
huh?
those
Yes,
buttons.
super cool.